In this video, I'm going to show you how to save art in Clip Studio Paint. Now first you want to go to the File tab, top left, and then from here you want to click on Save. You could also use the Ctrl+S on your keyboard, which is a shortcut, and then it's going to open up this Save panel over here, or the Save window. Now from here, you of course can give your file a name, so I'm just going to leave this one as illustration.clip, and then it's very important which type you choose, okay? So of course if you want to create a clip file, which is by default Clip Studio format, this will preserve layers, folders, and settings, okay? So that's of course the easiest way to do it, is just to do that. But of course, if you want to, for example, share or publish, you could use an export single layer. So you can go to File and then Export Single Layer, and from here you can select any of these you wish. But of course, if you want to edit it later, it's best to save it as this Clip Studio format or .clip. So that's how to do it. Select your folder. I'm gonna go Downloads, click on Save, and now it's saved in there. I can go ahead and open it up again later, and I can continue my work from where I left off. That's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.